Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add Snapchat filters to existing photos. So if you have captured a photo with your default camera, here it is, or if you have already captured a photo and saved it to your device from Snapchat or TikTok or Instagram, any camera you can use, and you have this existing photo but you want to add a filter from Snapchat on that existed photo. So you can just open your Snapchat application, and from here you can just tap on this gallery icon here. Now from here you can just go to the camera roll, just because it's already existed to your camera or gallery, for example this image here. So if you want to add Snapchat filter to this existed photo, then you can just hold on that. You can just hold on that, or let me show you again. You can just hold on that and you just need to tap on it again, just like this. Or there's another way to tap on this arrow icon here, and you will find all the filters from here. So you can just swipe right to get all the image, all the filters here, or you can just swipe left to get all the other filters here. You can just swipe left or right to get the filters that you have available right now on your device. So hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.